Welcome back. Now, on this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your system with the core engine and your Master Credits API. What you'll learn is I'm going to show you how to locate your Master Credits API key. Very easy. And how to grab the API key, put it into your BookMasher, and verify your credits. So let's get started. Okay, this is Master Credits. You'll log in. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up here. You can create an account and the pricing is for 1,000 credits, $10, 5,000 credits, and you can buy as many as you want. And the ultimate plan is $900, $150. I don't know if you'll ever run out of credits that way. But basically, you'll log in here and it shows your current credit balance. And I've added a lot of credits in here. You can purchase your credits right here. This shows your recent activity. This is all your transaction activity. And it goes by each book as it's being created or whatever service you're using. Master Credits goes for a lot of different of our Masher tools, and it simply has all the API keys built into it, so you never have to worry about getting API keys from the individual AI tools we use. So there's the API key. You'll copy it. Okay. If you don't see it, you'll just hit the regenerate button and it will give you a new one. If at any time you think somebody has stolen your API key, come in here and hit regenerate again. But I am going to copy it, come back over here to BookMasher, go into my settings, or I can click here, Master Credits. This is where I'm going to paste it in. I would paste it in and then hit update key saved, and it shows your credits. And that's all there is to it. You are ready to start creating books. Now to wrap up, we showed you how to get your Master Credits and make sure your system is ready and how to install it into BookMasher so you are ready. And I'll see you on the next video.
Your topic, your book, ready for Amazon.